Looking for the best meat options for a diabetic-friendly diet? Whether you're planning a family feast for Eid-ul-Adha or just trying to eat better every day, I've got you covered. Today, we'll talk about 7 fantastic halal meat choices that are both healthy and delicious. Perfect for keeping blood sugar in check while still enjoying rich, festive flavors. Now let's get something clear. Meat isn't just about flavor. For people managing diabetes, especially older adults, protein plays a big role in stabilizing blood sugar, slowing down how fast carbs break down, keeping you full longer and supporting muscle health, which is essential as we age. But not all meat is created equal. Fatty or processed meats, they can raise your cholesterol, blood pressure, and weight, all dangerous for diabetics. That's why today's list focuses on lean, clean, halal protein sources that support your health without spiking your sugar. Let's start with the classic, chicken breast. Lean, high in protein, low in fat. And with a glycemic index of 0, it won't touch your blood sugar. Nutrients. 31 grams protein, just 3.6 grams fat per 100 grams. Best cooked, grilled or oven-baked, with herbs, lemon, and a side of steamed veggies or whole grain pilaf. Turkey isn't just for holidays, it's packed with B vitamins and selenium, great for immunity and energy. Nutrients. 29 grams protein, 1 gram fat per 100 grams. Cooking tip, roast with spices, then use leftovers for diabetic-friendly sandwiches or salads. Beef gets a bad rap. But when it's lean, like sirloin or tenderloin, it offers iron, protein, and flavor. Nutrients. 26 grams protein, 15 grams fat per 100 grams, cook it right. Grill or pan-sear with minimal oil and serve with quinoa or sautéed greens. Lamb lovers, rejoice! Just go for lean cuts like the leg or loin. It's rich in B12 and zinc. Nutrients. 25 grams protein, 16 grams fat per 100 grams. Try this. Marinate with garlic and rosemary, then grill and pair with roasted eggplant or salad. Fish is a superstar for diabetics, especially fatty fish like salmon and tuna. Why? Omega-3s help protect your heart, a must for anyone managing diabetes. Nutrients. 22 grams protein, 2.3 grams omega-3s per 100 grams salmon. Pro tip, bake with lemon, herbs, and olive oil. Serve with brown rice or couscous. Low in fat, rich in iron. Goat meat is a hidden gem. Popular in many halal kitchens and very diabetic-friendly. Nutrients. 27 grams protein, just 3 grams fat per 100 grams. Best use. Slow cooked with lentils and spices without excess oil. Don't overdo it. A good rule: keep your meat serving to about the size of your palm. Better to eat smaller portions throughout the day than one big blood sugar spiking meal. Grill, bake, steam. These methods preserve flavor and health. Avoid deep frying or using butter-heavy sauces. Aim for a rainbow. Half plate veggies, 1/4 plate lean protein, 1/4 plate whole grains. This keeps your meal satisfying without sending your glucose through the roof. Do you have a favorite recipe for diabetics? Share it in the comments. I'd love to try it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to stay healthy, strong, and happy after 50. See you next time.